So this box just came in the mail. There's a fish on it. It says Mediterranean, and there's hints of pasta. So did somebody just made this especially for me? This is the most amazing collaboration ever. So let's open it and see what's in there. Okay, let's unbox this beautiful box. So it came from Carbone, and I love their sauce, used it many times. Look at this amazing box. I feel like a chef. We got the famous Fishwife albacore tuna in lemon. Of course, some olive oil, beautiful pasta, and wow, this gift. And on top of everything, they included this beautiful juicer here. Here we got our recipe. Very simple, straightforward. Let's get to it. So the ingredients we need is fennel, olive oil, sea salt, of course our amazing Carbone sauce, and then we have the Fishwife tin fish, zest of orange, fresh parsley, and of course our cooked spaghetti. The spaghetti is already going, and now we're going to cut our fennel. Our pasta is cooking. To our skillet, we're adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we are going to add our thinly sliced fennel. And we're going to let it cook for like 10 minutes till it's really soft. Add in our salt. Always make sure to use the pasta water. It's the best friend you have when making pasta. So as you can see, our fennel starts to be translucent and it's soft. Now it's the time to add our sauce in, and we're going to add it in, let it simmer, and then once it simmers, we're going to lower the heat and cook it uncovered for 8 minutes. Like I said, we're going to stir it. We want the fennel to basically melt into our sauce. Okay, our sauce is starting to simmer. Now we're going to move it to low heat and let it cook for 8 minutes uncovered. While we're waiting for the sauce to be ready, we will squeeze half an orange for the sauce. The sauce is moving along really nice. It tastes great already. Now we're going to add this part, which I'm really excited about. As you know, tin fish, the amount of nutritional value that you get from it is incredible. So some people don't know how to eat it, how to cook it. This is one of the ways. This is an amazing way to introduce your tin fish to, for example, pasta in this time. Now we are going to use everything that's in the can, the sauce, whatever liquids are in there, and the fish. So I'm going to open it right here, since we don't have to empty anything out of the can. Okay, that looks beautiful. As you can see, the tuna just looks amazing. And now we're gently moving it in because we want to maintain some chunks. Like we want to have some chunks of fish in there. We don't want the tuna to completely dissolve. So we're just gently going to help it. I gotta taste it too. Amazing, beautiful tuna. So now I want to gently move around the Fishwife Spanish Lemon Tuna. And like I said, we have all of its liquid, so we're going to distribute that all around. The tuna brings with it a lemony flavor too. So we're going to do that. We'll get like nice chunks, not too small, not too big. That already looks beautiful. We want to let it cook together so the lemon flavor will combine with our sauce. So we're gonna give it 5 minutes. I can't wait. I have to taste a little bit. The sauce, I keep tasting the sauce, and now it's a little piece of tuna in it. Incredible. Time to add the spaghetti into our sauce. I'm gonna do it gently. We don't want to break them. Looks beautiful. And we're gonna fold it in. Okay, perfect time to use this. At this point, we're going to remove it from the heat. I turned off the heat. We're going to add our parsley, our orange. Okay, so this is it. This is the final dish. And I'm so excited about it because, like I said, adding tin fish into your meal is incredible. And using this sauce is even better because you can smell the capers, the fennel, the parsley, the lemon, you can smell it all. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10. I feel like I'm in a really fancy restaurant right now. The richness and the flavors, that's not something that you can easily create every day. Well, I guess now you can if you get Carbone sauce, Fishwife, tin fish. There's certain depth of flavor that comes from it. I didn't add much salt or pepper or anything because the fish with its own sauce brings that depth, and the Carbone sauce to begin with is just perfect. You don't need to add anything. So this is amazing. There's one more person that needs to try this. I feel like, because at the beginning I thought, well, tin fish, but I don't think she'll even know.
What is this? It smells so good.
It is. I mean, it's kind of crazy the depth of flavor it has, but I don't want to say anything. You try it. You tell me what you think.
It smells really good. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, is this like a new bolognese? Okay. Wow, there is like a lot of festiveness in it. Oh, I'm really excited. Wow. Is this a new recipe?
Brand new.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I didn't know I was gonna get pasta in the middle of the day. I was downstairs, you want to try some pasta? I'm like, yeah, okay. Wow. What is different about this? This tastes so good. Wow. The flavors.
Isn't it like it's so rich and so layered?
Wow. Did you make the sauce? It's like homemade?
The sauce is Carbone sauce.
Okay.
And then there's Fishwife tin fish in there.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of fish?
Just tuna. But it's in lemon, so the lemon is kind of infused into the whole thing. And yeah.
Wow.
I couldn't stop eating it. I had to stop to call you because I was like so.
You had this? You had some?
Yeah.
It's so good.
I felt like I was in a restaurant. Like.
Wow. That's amazing, babe. Oh my God. This is our new bolognese.
If you want, yeah. It's easier than making the bolognese.
Oh, was it pre-made? The sauce?
The Carbone sauce is ready. The tin fish is ready.
You can just buy it.
Pour it in.
Chef's kiss is actually so good. And yeah, the flavors are just. Okay. Love this. No notes. 1,000 out of 10ers. We do all of it.